aha muryango gwa disi bataha akapanda kahandikiriho office closed ekyo kumanyisa ngo office yakingwa kandi ubwanyuma yo kugikinga mukuru w'entebe ya katano yaganiraho n'abanyamakuru aha Nshongeji
tihabaho ukushemererwa ngo umuyobozi wa district ya Kabale habwe shonga yo kutunga kawo weito musya konka taramanya imirimo ye kwihabara leta kawo musya ha office musandare jo murundi gumwe nengo bundi amarine sandi betakija office
okurugera hari inshanga bashija distar kuratara baragere by'akacika karukugabe mirimo kureka we naronda abe kurwo mu district sezindi
noreba twena abebembeze technical people buri yo mayino murimo gwe konka kawo habo kugira ngo arayine ebye yonko muntu byaretenga hati yakire naho kugira ngo atahataye murimo ya politician itaramo kwataho nkuru ruciko rwa DEC executive committee ya district oraje heading ni chairman kandi woshobora kuba ragikorera schedule za meetings na program konka wala mu baro hazimwe zihandikirwe kawo urareba ko ari kusigisirwa imirimo ye yakakoze emuremere akaza kutaha mu mirimo ya chairman
konke cyo busasa bwinji ko kujo wakaho ushanga office kinjiri na isayo ke mirundi eshatu narugaho nangwa natamwa nyine ka ifu yo kuripotinga sabwe joshonga uhereza ni bugaruke nyuma kandi nitwe buza abakozi bari kwebemberaho ubu ni chwani cyo cyari kubereka.
Yeah, this morning we are saddened by the action we found in the door of the car. We are not aware of what the reason why, actually the reason behind the closing, because me as a deputy cow, we are working normally and there is no complaint or any other issue.
Twagambaho na disi Mutegeka Ronaldo wabingo mu office hasumu kandi ibintu byo yatugambira.
Now, first of all, I don't deal with the hooligans, I deal with the leaders. The chairman is my supervisor. Can you show any letter he has written to me regarding what he has mentioned? Two, I've just come to that, this is my 5th month. I'm just new in that. I've just come there and I'm trying to put things correct. Then two, I'm not the one going to finance chairman's campaign. That one I'm not going to accept it. The problem with my chairman wants money every other time. I don't have that money and that money is not in the budget. Am I the one who forced him to go for campaign? I was written a letter from the treasury that I should appoint contracts committee.
Amakuraga gashakwa Nelson ahimswe.